So guys, kami ay nagbabalik para sa panibagong shut the fuck up. Yan. Bumabawi kaya. Bumabawi siya. Bumabawi siya pag nag-i-intro siya.
How does it feel like that?
Yeah, man. I mean, I'm not bothered. Welcome back sa panibagong PR Rudy Posting Podcast. Ay, podcast tuloy.
Yes!
PR Reacts!
Tayo na.
Welcome back sa PR Reacts. At kami ay kompleto ngayon. At kami ay magre-react sa weekly. Well, si Gian. So, wag ako.
Ha? Putang na, bigla na lang sinisiyaw.
Weekly Reacts.
Bigla na lang ako, puta ako.
Yes.
Consistent ako sa aking podcast. Ikaw, ano?
Weekly rin to. Okay, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks.
Hindi consistent yun. Inconsistent yun.
But sinabi ko bang every week? Every weekly, sabi ko, di ba?
Sabi mo,
That's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Pag weekly, ibig sabihin every week. Okay.
Ay, sorry na.
Dude, what the fuck is this about anti-semi post? Bro, what the fuck? What happened to the Reddit, bro? Ba't may anti-semi?
May warning tayo.
It's Chris. It's like, you know, I know it's
Chris,
funny
why are
for
you
to
anti-semis,
troll
bro?
Chris, but it's getting
hand.
out of hand. We don't want to risk getting a warning or even a ban on the subreddit.
Damn, bro. No, bro. I want more of that shit.
Simulan na natin. Let's go.
natin.
Sana matry by Hershey26.
Holy
Place
crap.
for us to kill, you know?
It's a most
May
He's
drone
a
pa.
game? Damn, bro. You bombing, bro?
So go on the other side.
Nah, bro, putang ina. Any
Okay,
fucking
okay.
game looks like puta. Tanggalin mo yung UI ng Tarkov. Yan din yung itsura niyan, okay? Jesus Christ, na-train lang yung utak mo,
I
eh.
believe.
Ah, bro.
Unreal Engine
No,
5.
bro.
Engine
Outlast
5.
look like this,
Di ba
bro.
may
What do you
umano
mean?
dati yung parang ano? Di ba may kumalat na video dati na parang ganito rin na
Unheard,
parang
yeah.
totoong
Unheard.
totoo?
I like this, ano? I like this kind of game. Dapat, tanga na, naunahan yan ng ano eh. Naunahan ng body cam. Yung ano eh. Yung Unheard kasi, single dev lang yan. Ginaya lang
Multiplayer ba yan? Body cam?
Oh,
Okay,
ito yung
ano,
multiplayer, ano?
Nauso lang yung body cam. Ako literally just added a fish eye filter. That's it, okay?
It's not really a fish eye filter. It's more of
It
like...
is, bro.
Ano,
That's what you
I
call
think
it,
I think
bro.
they use a photorealistic things there.
Next one. Kung gusto nyo pag-usapan,
Skibidi
pag-usapan
toilet?
nyo sa
Putang
podcast.
ina, I've never seen a skibidi toilet.
It's an ocean meme. It's an ocean meme.
Ocean meme. Magugulat din ako pag nakita ko to.
Never mind. It's an
Okay,
ocean.
you ruined it. You ruined it.
Putang ina yun lang.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Is that yun ba yung gusto mo,
I
Chris?
think
Is that what you wanted,
this is
Chris?
the worst
You're
ocean meme video that I
What?
ever watched.
Hindi nga ocean eh. May ganyan.
Hindi
may
nga
dito
ocean
to eh.
meme eh. Kasi may ano eh. oh.
Binasa na kaya
May
madito.
ganito eh.
Fuck
oo.
you.
Not counted, man.
Down for
Chat,
that
can
shit.
you explain what this is? Ano ba yan? What is an ocean? What is an ocean
Not
meme?
counted,
No, bro.
not
Count to,
counted.
Makikita mo
gago.
mamaya,
Ma-
basta-
ma-
Counted
Makikita
to,
mo
okay?
mamaya.
I wanna know what the
No.
fuck is an ocean meme. Counted to, okay? Kasi it's new to me, okay?
Makikita mo. It's a...
It's not counted.
No, it's not counted.
No,
kasi
I
iba
mean,
yung
include
ocean
this in
na
the
ano, yung
video.
ocean meme. Yung may ano.
I mean, count this in the
Ah,
video.
okay.
Shit,
Ano yan?
Ayo.
Ayo.
Ay,
Yo,
yo.
just-
Oh,
Ayaw.
this is the ocean meme.
Ito yung ocean meme eh. Tulog pa lang eh.
Oh. Don't you say it.
I swear to God, these are
Damn, bro.
edited as fuck. Taka na, hinintay pa yung R eh.
Puto para kang sponsored ng Red Bull Idol ah. Nakita ko yung, ngayon ko lang nakita yung damit ni Chris.
He went
Parang
karting
kakarera
just
eh.
once. And then feeling niya na siya na si Max Verstappen.
Damn.
Tututuru.
Tuloy.
Ikuse.
Oh, ano ba yan? Physics not physicking, bro.
Bakit?
Dapat mo balik-balik dapat siya ata eh.
No, putang ina
What?
niya kasi nakikita. Bobo lang siya. Yeah, okay. For a fucking Asian, you don't know how physics work? Dumb, bro.
It's not
What happened?
Hindi ko napansin. Wow,
He slapped
again.
He slapped it to the fucking left but tumalsik sa right
Oo.
yung tumbler. Okay.
Oh.
May ano kasi yan, okay. May Newton's laws in motion here, okay. So like if you
Ano?
slap it on the left side, naka-suction cup siya, 'di ba? So basically, it spring back from the right. Spring back siya po the left agad. Hindi niya lang nakita because he blind as fuck because he's too brain rotted for TikTok, okay. So yun na yun.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Jesus Christ.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking nerd.
Average
happening to
Chris
me?
fans. IG Reels.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Yo, this better be good. Oh shit.
Up the sky, closely followed by loud.
Wala na akong internet for last night. Puta mga 10 seconds.
What will end racism once and for all?
Ano?
Pick a card.
Oh, what is this?
Ang ina, what the fuck?
Chris, you're not even looking anymore.
As I was saying, she packed up her bag and left. It was all very sudden. Do you know?
I love that movie.
Oh my god.
That's so cute.
Wala.
Oh my
Shut the fuck up, Ken, okay? Nobody gives a shit.
You know what?
Stop ako!
You know what? You're probably right. This is my fucking IG reels.
This is your reels, bro. This is your reels, Chris.
I no. Chris fans IG reels. Yeah, it's your IG reels. It's not mine.
Hey, Chris, you know what? To be fair, though, you know what my IG reels are filled with?
What?
US and Japan stuff.
Oh, tara, ako pa rin heroes na.
Game. Ano to? Chris
Game,
during
Chris
leg
during
day.
leg
Oh,
day.
this better be good.
Ano yan? Ang inang yan. Ang inang yan.
Remember,
Kailangan
you
mag-leg day,
can't
Chris?
watch anymore,
Ate,
Chris?
I'm okay.
Chris reviews na.
It's Chris reviews, bro. Chris, you're...
Sige. Okay. Kaya glow ka naman.
Oh shit, it's my turn. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, this gotta be fishing, bro. It's gonna be fishing, bro. This is gonna be fishing, bro. I swear to God, it's gonna be fishing, bro. Oh shit, let's go! Yeah! Puta, yeah, look at him fucking pump and Rick. Dude, I should do that, bro.
Puta tao siya.
Dude, I should do this. More fun.
Akala ko naman mangyayari. Okay.
Yeah, why would you even use that background music?
Yeah, kung walang mangyayari, no?
Stupid, bro.
mangyayari,
People are
stupid.
stupid, man.
Ito, English or Spanish?
Holy shit, man.
Stop, gago.
Oh my God, man. It's
Stop, bro.
bro.
Take a watch this shit.
Oh my god!
Of course you watched this shit, man. Of course you did. I've never watched that though. I'm gonna look for that, bro.
Why am I not
I have the code
surprised, Ken?
somewhere, you know?
Why am I not surprised, Ken?
Huh? Ano yung meme na yun? English or Spanish?
Oh, of course we know. What the fuck?
Hindi si Chris ata di alam eh.
Oh wait, what does that mean?
Oh my god,
Oh,
di
shit.
niya alam! Kaya
Chris,
pala.
English or Spanish?
I don't know.
No, sumagot ka.
Sumagot ka, English or Spanish?
Spanish?
Paano ba yung Spanish? I
English
never
mo na lang
got.
kasi.
I never got through the.
English or Tagalog, Chris?
English, syempre.
First one to smile is gay. Ba't umitik?
Oh, tumangang ngumiti ka rin.
We're all gay, man.
Next, puto ko na ako na guess, pero yes.
Si Ken naman yung
Naloading ako kasi putik. Nawala yung...
Oh shit! Si ano to? Puta, is my friend. Siya cosplayer.
Magkano yung pinaka minimum
Puta
na
na.
kinikita ng
Parang
isang lalaki para i-date mo siya?
Wala naman nung hinahangad na minimum niya. Gusto ko lang malaki yung tit.
That's a tall order.
Unrelatable.
That's a tall order. You know?
Unrelatable.
Next one. Trash talk during match.
May
Oh shit!
sayad.
This is my ano yun? The Blue Archive.
Tuloy ko pa
Sinabi
ba?
na lahat. Very
Bro,
nice.
bro, what do you stop it, bro? What do you stop it, bro?
What the fuck?
Sa
Sinabi niya na
boses
lahat,
pa
ha?
lang niya eh. Oh my god.
Okay.
Only Chris and
shit.
Gloco.
Only
Of
Chris.
course it
Alas
will.
muna kami ni
Of course it is. Go,
Marami.
just
John is back.
fucking. Kakapasok lang na dyan.
Pasok mo na.
Papasok lang ni John. Let's go.
Game. Only Chris and Gloco would understand this joke.
She seems to have a foreign object lodged in her vagina.
Come on, let's get this shit over with.
Where's the foreign object?
Damn, only Chris and Gloco would understand this joke.
I
This
was-
our joke.
It's a racist joke. Alright.
It's a racist joke, basically.
So basically, a foreign object is just a fucking Japanese man.
It's just
You
a
know-
foreigner, bro.
Next one.
just got one more comment for the transsexual on the end.
I know this.
Yo, what the hell, man? Wala pa tayo.
Why did you laugh?
Why
No,
did you
just
laugh
fucking,
again,
just
man?
play it. Stop it.
Why would you stop?
Shit, let's go.
Actually, nagsusunto ka talaga daw sila.
I love Jerry Springer, bro.
Oh, for Chris again.
I swear to God, if this is anti-ship, oh my fuck.
It is.
Next.
Puta na ulan naman ako. Yun lang, what the fuck, what happened, bro?
Fucking.
Oh my God, Ken and Janice.
What the fuck, ano yan?
Play it.
Oh shit! It is for you, Chris. It is for you.
Chris, that's what Puta, hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nare-release yung video. Ano na tayo, John?
Teka lang, nagkaka-flash pa ako.
You have to upload it, bro. I swear to God, bro.
Okay.
You have to upload it. Puta.
I'm having a flashback right now. Ito na lang yung basic rule pag pupunta kayo ng beach or any water-related vacations. Do not bring those kinds of slippers. You're gonna have a bad time.
Bro.
Kaya Crocs #1.
The Yakuza.
Oh, I love this. I just watched this.
すいません。一瞬僕の動画撮ってくれないですか？お母さんに送る動画なんですけど。いいですか？
No, wala siya nila.
このままで。
このままで。
はい。
What the fuck?
Just watch it, okay?
It's painful to watch.
It is.
And the dog, bro.
Yeah, so it was just basically, just the Yakuza just giggling like little girls because of this dumbass foreigner.
Mindanao Delicacy.
That's true, bro.
It's Chris Delicacy, man.
What is wrong
How
with
is
you?
it Chris Delicacy? Puta lahat na lang anything military. Ano na yun?
Is it a fucking weapon or anything? It's just gonna relate to me.
Basta mass destruction ikaw, Chris. What the fuck?
Yeah, what the fuck is your problem, Neil?
Sorry.
I've studied well for my...
I don't care! Next!
Sylvester Stallone. Hindi ko lang napansin yung Sylvester Stallone. Oh shit. Ah, no. Yeah, I fucking knew it.
Oh shit.
Okay, yeah, I've seen this like 10 times. Okay na.
You've seen this 10 times,
I've seen
man.
it. The fucking animation isn't even on point.
Okay.
Alright.
Next one.
Alright,
Chris.
It's the communist flag, Chris. Right,
yeah, I know. I can see that. Yeah.
Alright, next
one.
He'll be like in CSGO.
Tanong ko lang sa inyo. Please make up your mind. What kind of political alignment are you gonna align with? It's either communism or is it fascism?
Yes.
Pick a choice. Pick a fucking choice. I swear to God, pick a fucking choice.
That's their choice, Chris. Yes.
The choice is yes.
Finally, Anil meme.
Oh, wow.
Anil meme.
Anil meme.
Пошел нахуй, я уже ебал. Ты, блядь, свиньи пидорасов, сука, блядь.
How is that Anil meme?
What?
How is that Anil meme, bro?
What the fuck?
I have never
Ever heard bro.
Neil say any Russian shit.
Toka blet.
Just now.
Alright, ano yan?
Putang in-edit
That is nice, man.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
This is your new profile, man.
Okay. That majestic beast.
Oh, puta sa akin na, idol.
Oh, sige, meron na. Wow.
Oh, shit.
Who the fuck?
This better be good, bro.
It's 2025, the old lady buys me a GTA 6, but it's my turn to hold up the end of the bargain.
Oh no!
That's si Ken.
Pumunus Kenos ka kasi gaga.
Oh no!
Dito pala galing talaga?
No, wait.
Dito pala galing talaga yung clip?
Can you pause it? Like,
Who the hell is that
Wait,
guy?
what?
Monkey?
I keep seeing this
Yeah, yung guy,
this
oh,
clip
oh, no.
every time. Saan ba to galing?
Yeah, saan ba galing mo,
It's War
It's
of
the
the
first
Apes.
time I've seen this shit.
War of the Apes?
Yung
Like,
kasama pa tong isa.
is it the new one or?
It's the third
old one.
installment.
Matagal na to.
Yeah. It's the third installment of the.
So what's the context here?
Bale, ang context
Ginagamit
is
sa
like,
meme,
kailangan yung tumas dun sa parang sewer system na pinapataas siya. It's like, yung unggoy na yan, side ng humans, he's working with the side of humans.
Which one? Yung nagsasabi na oh no?
He's just like, parang hostage siya ng kanya, yung orangutan na yan. Kasi ikaw, tumas ka dyan. Oh no! No! Okay, I'm gonna go out now.
What? Ano pa sa taas? Why is he saying oh no?
I think it's like it's like a human camp or something.
Okay.
Next one.
Next.
18.
I've seen this.
Tuloy natin.
Tuloy!
Namin kayo napanood.
Japanese words are only
Tingnan tao natin.
So, if you're underage, scroll down. Zeikin. Zeikin means tax. That's it. That's it. Means rent.
Okay, buddy.
Rent. Yep. Yan naman kito.
Means working overtime.
Oh my God!
Overtime na.
I did not expect that shit!
Akala mo yung mga
Hentai.
adult words eh. Mga nasty shit. Never mind.
Tama naman. It's 18-year-old.
Tama ka naman.
Tama.
For
Not
adults.
wrong. Totoo pala talaga. By John Lloyd Gamboa.
Damn, why is he the only one who you shouted out, bro?
Oo nga, no? Tangin na
Tangin na lahat ng mga memes na tangin na. Wala na.
Wala na.
Ano
ang unang aklat ng Biblia? Superbook.
That's true though.
Ba't Superbook?
Why is it Superbook?
Ano yung Superbook?
Superbook, you've never heard of Superbook?
No?
Damn, Superbook is goated, bro.
Yeah,
It's the first book of the Bible. What do you mean, bro?
Oh my God, Andy.
It's the first book of the Bible.
Even Vanilla doesn't know that shit. Look at
What
him,
is
bro.
this?
No, I've seen Superbook in Tagalog
Hindi
version.
ko alam
lang.
yun, no? Oh shit, it's me, bro.
Vice
Vice
Word
Word Manager Ken. Naghihintay ka ng 30 minutes bago marating yung ano?
Pagkain mo,
Pagkain
hindi
mo,
password
hindi
yun.
password yan.
Puta, dati sa podcast yan. Look at man.
That's true
You're
though.
mentioning about Paris Retiro, about...
Ayun nga no.
Bleach Kaisen for Chris.
For Chris.
It's not even that. It's not even
I
that.
see. Putang ina
Oh,
ito.
shit,
It's Ninja Kids Wars, bro.
Gojo, bro.
Oh shit!
It's Ninja Kids War, bro.
shit.
Oh
Putang
my
ina.
God, wala si Manila, bro.
Crash yun lang, gago.
How is this for Chris?
Because there's a fucking random swastika.
It's not even a swastika. That's the
Nauna
temple.
kanina.
From
Damn,
Benin.
bro.
Putang ina
Go
binasa.
play it.
There are holidays and semester breaks.
What is this?
What is this, bro?
What the fuck is this shit?
Fuck this
I
shit,
don't
bro.
know.
I'm not here for
You
this.
gay.
I don't.
I'd rather be fucking gay then.
I'd rather
For
be
Gloco,
fucking.
man.
Okay.
Can't be me, no?
Kay Big Duck CSGO player. Oh, sinasabi
For
ko
Gloco,
na yan.
bro. Basahin mo nga to.
Basahin mo to, Chris.
Just play it. Play it.
Unay.
Shut the fuck up. Why? Stupid fucking brain dead motherfucker. Huwag ka na mag-post dito ulit.
Yo, what the fuck?
Puta, pinasabog niyo si Gloco.
Ito,
Yes,
kay
bro.
Kiweulay. I got inspired by Gloco dubs, beats, and parody, so I tried voice acting and it got worse. What?
Ha?
What do you mean?
Siya nag-voice over nito.
Rinig pa yung ano yung hininga eh.
Yung mic.
Rinig na rinig yan ang hininga eh.
Yung mic.
He's doing some trade to boost, bro. Play it, bro. Play it.
Master Jeremiah, papatayin kita! Let's go!
Ano bro, you have a practice now.
I think this is
Master Jeremiah!
I think you should just stop, bro.
No,
Like,
baliktad.
it's just-
Tuloy mo lang, okay? Tuloy mo. Hanggang mamatay.
Kayo, puta, nakain nyo ba?
Next one.
I'll be the one to say that I'm saving your lives here, guys.
Gloco, ano naman, syempre,
Ano ma-advise
bigay
mo
ka
as
naman
ano,
ng mga advice mo and
Sa train.
yung courage, magbigay ka naman ng motivation para kay Lay.
I got a fucking advice. Get a fucking better mic. Jesus Christ.
Ayun.
Baka nag-iipon pa lang siya, grabe ka
Oo
naman,
nga, oo
di
nga.
ba?
No, it's not about the mic, okay? It's not about the mic.
It's
Just move on, bro.
Whoa!
Just move on, bro. Let's move on, bro. Let's move on.
Hindi daw kasi mapapalitan yung pink ng Train to Busan ni Gloco. So, alam mo yun.
Just move on! Oh my God!
Damay-damay na to. Ano to?
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Okay.
Same. Okay, next.
Next one.
Question.
No.
All right, what's your question, Pootie? How you spell your name, Queen?
R-E-I-L-L-Y.
Say it again.
Death Note, bro. Tayo nilibasan ng Death Note.
Pang last na natin to, siguro?
Away.
Go.
Okay, let's go. Siguro anuhin natin sa magandang part.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Away.
Okay,
I think we get it,
Just stop, bro, okay? I mean, that's not my humor, bro. Ain't my humor.
Jollibog.
Puta na, tatay na pag-ganon si...
Ito ba yun? Oh,
Jollibee.
Kita ka mga ng babae.
Ayun, yung pangayon, idol, yung kumakalat sa Facebook.
Pakis. Ganyan.
Holy shit! This is the first time nakita ko to! This is the first time
Ay, first time na nakita to?
This is the first time
full version.
I've seen it so many times. It's just, what always gets me is puta, tinaas niya talaga yung skirt.
Ayun ko lang nakita yung full version na to.
Yung full version!
Hindi gago, di pa to yung full version, okay?
Pero babalik.
Final form pa to.
Ang lupit like,
Jollibee management, you know, nakita nila to.
They probably fired at the fuckers, bro.
I fucking love Jollibee core, you know? I love Jollibee core memes.
Kay Jollibee talaga, bida talaga saya kay Jollibee.
Bida talaga saya.
Tik na yan. Last one to, last one.
Last one.
Hey, who do you got for the Canelo fight? Canelo or Triple G?
Kanye West.
Alright.
Ooh, I fucking see that.
Who do you got for the Canelo fight?
Bigyan lang itawa niya
Okay na, I wanted to stop it in Jollibee core, but... Ay!
Ito na, last na.
Ito pala,
last mo na to.
Last na to.
Pinoy's app?
Oh!
You know?
Wow.
Save ko to kagabi, ang angas na to.
Nakita ko nga eh.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Damn.
Uy, pagka-click puta, rekta kagad sa YouTube natin.
Damn.
Damn.
Naka-subscribe. Oh, red. Uy, red.
Kulay red siya, idol.
May Pinoy tail ba yan?
Ay, meron. Ay,
Pinoy tails. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
What the fuck? What is this AI shit?
Ay,
Wala na, gago. Wala na po.
Hindi, wala ko
AI, bro.
there, Gian. Pati sinilok. Mother taxi, gago.
Gago, laka.
Can I play games there?
Why you use AI, bro? Fuck, man.
Ba't puro ano kami? Ba't puro lupi kami?
Holy fuck, I look like someone na ano.
Wala ba ako dyan? Tingnan mo nga. Ano sino siya, bro?
Ken, bro. You're an unlockable
character, Ken.
Putang inam.
Wala. There you are, Ken.
There. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Better that than something else.
Tama. Ay, that is it.
Tapusin na natin to. May papakita pa. Okay.
Gagi pa pinindot.
Rekta.
Oh!
Alright.
Oh shit, nandito yung channel ko. Let's go!
Oh shit, nakarekta kagad sa mga ano natin.
Sana pag pindot kayo, nil-scatter yun. Ay, wala.
Oh!
Let's go. Nakarekta sa edit, boy.
Damn, bro.
Angas. Artistine.
Can you do that, Chris? Why didn't you do that, Chris? Why didn't you do this, you IT, you fuckers? Why didn't you make an app for us, bro?
Fuck you, man. I'm not getting paid to do that shit.
He wasn't paid to do this shit.
It's his passion, no? It's his passion, you know? Thank you so much sa paggawa. Ano yung link na to?
Thank you sa paggawa. Meron silang si Vanilla link eh. Tingnan na lang natin sa comment. Tama?
That is nice, guys. So, dito muna, guys. Pagkatapos ang aming pagre-react. Sa mga hindi po natin na-reactan, i-post nyo na lang ulit.
Yeah. Wala ako for the next 2 months.
Wala siglo ako. Iiwan ko for the next 6 months.
2 weeks. No, 2 weeks pala.
2 weeks to 6 months.
So, December na siya babalik.
2 weeks to 1 year.
Hindi, gago. 2 weeks ako mawawala.
Hindi pinito.
Hindi pinitama.
Just let the fuck. Just 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks wala ako. Okay. Alright, that's it. Let's go.
Guys, check our Pinoy's Place, Pinoy's Podcast. At sa mga sarili-sarili ng channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood.
Use the app. Use the app. Use the Pinoy app.
Use the Pinoy app. Thank you sa aming
ano.
mga Patreons. May Patreons ba tayo dito?
Of course, may Patreons tayo. What's up? We always have Patreons. What the heck? Don't you remember them, Dave?
Mamaya na lang, guys. Bye-bye.
Peace out.